Hi guys, it's Debbie from What's Mama Cooking For Us, and today I'm just going to show you a very easy, simple recipe so you can make your own hummus at home. You don't have to make a big batch, or you don't have to go out and get all this stuff. This is just so simple to put together. And what you're going to need is garbanzo beans, or they're called chickpeas, or we used to call them chichi beans. But so I bought these in the can, but usually I like to do mine fresh. But I did have a can, so I was going to use it up, which is nothing wrong with that. I just like to always worry about the sodium content. But so we're going to use a cup of beans, those. So, oops, let's just put those in there. I'm going to do this right in my Ninja. Simple and easy. And then we use tahini. Tahini, in case you don't know, most of you may know, but some may not know. Tahini is just sesame seeds ground up, and it's made like into a buttery type paste like peanut butter. Only it's just pure sesame seeds. So it's good for you and it's healthy. And then you need 1/8 of a cup of that. See, it's like a creamy consistency. I might have to put that on off camera because you know I am. So 1/8 cup. If you don't have the 1/8 cup, because a lot of the measuring cups don't come with that, just use your 1/4 cup and just do a half of that. Let's see if we're going to be able to get that in there. No. Well, anyway, we'll just keep going while that's trying to get in there. You need 1 garlic clove. Well, this recipe calls for a half. Oh, there it goes. Look. Oh. She's getting smarter in her old age, I think. As I was saying, so that's 1/8 of a cup. And then the garlic, I put a whole clove, but you should put a half for this amount for the recipe. And then we need 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and if you don't have the 1/8, just use your quarter and cut it in half. And then you need 1/4 cup of water. And that's simple as that. And I'm going to put it on my Ninja and blitz it up. I don't want you guys to have to listen to that. Okay, so I did have to add about 1 tablespoon of water because sometimes it's a little thicker. But this is the consistency you want. Kind of like that. Okay, so I got all that I could get out of my Ninja and put it in a jar. And what I like to do is just store this right in my fridge, and it's good to last all week. And the reason I make a small batch is because I'm going to use the other half to just make them in the oven and make some little crunchy little chickpea bites. And then how I like to serve mine up is I used to like to put a little drizzle of olive oil on mine, but this is an oil-free, where's the word? Hummus. Oil-free. So even though it looks like there's oil in your sesame seeds in the jar, it looks like there's oil in there. There's no oil. That's just the natural oils from the seed. So this is a no oil hummus, and it's delicious, healthy for you. And so I want you guys to give this a try. And it's so simple and easy to make. But I started to say I don't put the olive oil drizzle over the top. I used to, but so I put a little olives because I do like olives. And you should eat olives in their natural form anyway, not in the processing that they do with olives, if that makes sense. But yeah, and this is so delicious. Let me just give it a little taste. Oh, so good. I could just eat this stuff all day, but I won't because, there are calories, but and carbs. So, but yeah, so delicious. I hope you guys give this a try and use it. Make it up in the beginning of the week in your food prep, and then you have it in the fridge for the week or for a few days.